Zach. I want to play a game. Today you find yourself in a box, much like the one you see before you. You see, for years you have been performing and making people laugh and smile from a small box of your own. I'm talking about YouTube and your videos.
No, I get it.
Oh, well, you seem confused.
No, I'm fine. Please, continue.
Oh, the mythical box before you contains the means to your survival. Each item presents a test. Pass each test, and you will be released. Fail, and you will be boxed up forever.
That wasn't clever.
Shut up! Shut up! I didn't have that much time to prepare. You will have 5 minutes to complete the challenges. Your time starts now. Your first challenge. In the box, you'll find a figurine. A Stranger Things figurine.
Oh, I love that show.
Oh, me too.
Have you seen that the second season's on Netflix?
Yes, I'm gonna binge watch it tonight.
Me too.
Well, you will, if you make it out alive. Now, back to the figurine. It's in pieces, much like your YouTube channel.
Hey!
Oh, sorry. That was a little mean. To complete this challenge, you must put the pieces together to create the complete figurine.
Okay.
You have 30 seconds, or the room you're in will fill up with water, and you will drown.
Done.
Oh, you... Oh, was not expecting that. Okay, on to the next challenge. Next, you will find a wooden Buffy trinket. The challenge for this is to figure out its purpose.
Oh, it's a Buffy bookmark.
Look around you, and you will see the means to the answer. You have 30 seconds to complete this challenge, or the room will be engulfed in flame.
Done.
You got it. This isn't very challenging, is it? Well, very good. On to the next challenge. Look in the box, and you will see yet another figurine. Another puzzle. A Thor and Loki figurine.
Another figurine?
Well, yes, another figurine. What do you want from me?
I don't know, a hat or something. I don't know.
Well, maybe next time.
Alright.
But for this challenge, you must put the figurine together in less than 30 seconds, or 10,000 volts will fill the room and you will be electrocuted to death.
Easy. Done.
Oh my god, I can't believe this. How are you Okay. For your next challenge, you will see an 80s style Ghostbusters t-shirt and a mythical Loot Crate loot pin. For this challenge, you will have 30 seconds.
Already done.
Oh, you already did it. Okay, well, you still have one challenge left. And it is the hardest of them all. For it is the means to your survival. The Loot Crate before you can be transformed into yet another object. This object that it can become will be your salvation. Create this object from the Loot Crate before you and be saved. Do it in 30 seconds, or a horde of crocodiles will enter the room and devour you alive.
Okay. Oh, it's Thor's hammer. So this will help me get out of my chain.
Oh, actually, that's just for show. I just wanted you to make the hammer for me mostly, because I couldn't figure it out. You're free to go.
Oh. Really?
Well, yeah, that was just October's Loot Crate. You completed your challenges. You're free to go. Thanks for playing. Game over. Tune in next time to see November's Loot Crate. Did you know you could sign up for monthly Loot Crate? Every month you get awesome stuff. Some of these crates are valued at $50 or more. You should definitely sign up. You too can get the Loot Crate. It's only like $20. Do it. It's awesome. Percy out. Woo.